Alright guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, and as I always ask you guys, go ahead hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you think about my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a Father's Day special. You guys know Father's Day is coming up, so it's that time of year again where I'm going to be doing a special. And today's special is I'm doing a lobster tail and a pork chop. So stick around for this one guys, it's going to be good. And again, happy Father's Day. Alright, so as you guys see here, this is all the ingredients I'm working with today for my Father's Day special. So I got some pork, nice pork chop, clean, 2 nice lobster, got some herbs over here, some butter. I'm going to infuse the herb in the butter, salt and pepper. So okay, so let's get started by cutting all these herbs. Alright guys, now that we have everything chopped just how we want them, we're going to go ahead and start in our butter. Alright, so we're going to get our butter. We're going to add a pinch of salt and pepper, rosemary, chopped garlic, parsley. Alright, then you're going to get a fork and just mix this in. Alright, then you're going to sit this in the freezer until you're ready for it. Alright, alright, while that's going, let's get our lobster. Get a pair of scissors, kitchen shear, and we're just going to butterfly this. Alright, we're going to go ahead and just bring the meat up, and close it back so you display the meat. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and brush these in some butter. This is just some melted butter. And don't just do only the meat, go ahead and get some on the shell also. Alright, then we're going to get some salt and pepper, and that's all we're going to sprinkle on that for now guys. Your oven should be at 400 degrees, so we're going to put these in the oven 400 degrees for 5 minutes, and then we're going to hit that high broil for 3 minutes. Alright, so these are going in the oven now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start making our pork chop. We're going to add a little butter. Alright, we're going to add our pork. We're going to hit that salt and pepper. We're going to get a good sear on both sides. You can let each side cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, depends on how thick the chop is. This one is like an inch thick, so we're gonna need some little more cooking time on this one. Alright, so while that's going, I'm gonna check on my butter. As you guys can see, they're all solid and ready to go. Alright, time to give him a turn. Alright, remember we didn't flavor this side, so now we're going to go ahead add a little bit more salt and pepper. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and get a scoop for butter. Just gonna place it on top. We're gonna let this careful not to get too smoky. Alright, and you just keep basting the pork chop in butter. You're gonna get a nice brown sear on both sides. So it's about time to flip this back over on the other side. You can see all that smoke, guys. All right. So for the potato, we're going to cut them in wedges. And we're going to boil these, then roast them off in the oven. And the boiling is only going to speed up the process. You can go straight in the oven, but it's going to take a bit longer. Look at that beautiful lobster, guys. We're almost there. Alright, some other our wedges parboiled. We're going to add them in there. Add some parsley, some garlic, the rosemary, some salt and pepper, some butter. And you're going to let these roast in the oven for 25 minutes at 300 degrees. Alright guys, so our lobster should be ready, and it is. So I'm going to give you guys a close look at how your lobster should look when you're finished. Alright, nice. That's what you're looking for, guys. So everything is ready now, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start plating up so that I could eat. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and plate up. I'm going to start with our two beautiful lobster right there. I'm going to add a lemon wedge, some parsley, give that a quick turn. A couple of pork chop right there. I'm going to bring our potatoes to the side. Very rustic. Give you guys a closer look. Now we're going to top this off with some butter, the herb roasted butter that we make. I'm going to get this a little fat under. Closer look, guys, at Father's Day special. We got two nice lobster tail, pork chop, herb infused butter, some roasted potatoes, garnish with some parsley, and a slice of lime, a lemon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Try this for your dad. Let me know in the comments and let me know what you guys think about this one.